أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.
Welcome back to Digital Social Science YouTube channel. Myself, M. Ruksana, Assistant Teacher of Galib High School, Bellary. Dear students, let us start 1 mark questions. In Geography, first chapter, our state Karnataka. We'll discuss, fill in the blanks, afterwards we'll discuss 1 mark question, children. First one is, we celebrate Karnataka Rajyotsava Day on dash. 1st November. Answer is 1st November. Second blank, the year in which the state was renamed as Karnataka is 1973. Third blank, the state to the east of Karnataka is dash. In this you have to write down Andhra Pradesh. The largest district in Karnataka is dash. Answer is Belagavi. Fifth blank, the total area of Karnataka is dash square kilometer. Answer is 1,91,791 square kilometer. Sixth blank, the shape of Karnataka resembles a dash cashew nut. Number 1, what do you mean by Karunadu? Answer, Karunadu means a land of black soil. Question number 2. Name the ancient Tamil work. The word Karunat refers to Karnataka. Answer, Shilpadikaram. Question number 3. What is the meaning of Karunat? Karunat means the land which is on a elevated plateau. Question number 4. What has been mentioned in Nirupatunga's grammatical work Kaviraja Marga about Karnataka? Answer, Karnataka extended from the Kaveri river up to the Godavari river. Question number 5. When did Vishala Mysore state came into existence? Answer, on 1st November 1956. When does the Rajyotsava Day celebrate in Karnataka? Answer is on 1st November. Question number 7. When was our state renamed as Karnataka? When was our state renamed as Karnataka? In the year 1973. Question number 8. What is the location of Karnataka? Answer, Karnataka is situated in the southern part of India in the western central area of the peninsular region. Question number 9. Give the latitudinal and longitudinal extent of Karnataka. Answer, Karnataka extends from 11 degree 31 minutes to 18 degree 45 minutes north latitude and 74 degree 12 minutes to 78 degree 40 minutes east longitude. Question number 10. What is the length of Karnataka? Answer is 750 km. It is stretched from in Bidar district in the north and question number 10 is, what is the length of Karnataka? Answer is 750 km. Stretching from Arud Taluk in Bidar district in the northernmost tip of the south of the state to Chamarajanagar district in the south. What is the width of Karnataka? Answer, 400 km. From the west to the east, Karwar in Uttara Kannada district is at the western end, whereas Mulbagal Taluk in Kolar district is at the eastern end. Question number 13. What does the shape of Karnataka resembles? Answer, The shape of Karnataka resembles a cashew nut. Question number 14. Name Karnataka's neighboring states. Answer. Maharashtra, it is in north. Andhra Pradesh, it is in east. Tamil Nadu, it is in southeast. Kerala, it is in southwest. Goa is in northwest. Question number 18. What is the total area of Karnataka? Answer. 1,91,791 square kilometer. Question number 19. Which is the 8th largest state in India? Answer. Karnataka. Question number 20. What is the population of Karnataka according to the 2011 census? Answer. 6 crore 11 lakhs 30,704. Question number 21. What is the position of Karnataka in terms of population in India according to 2011 census? Answer is 9th position. Question number 22. How many districts are there in Karnataka? Answer is 31 districts. Question number 23. Which district is the largest district in Karnataka? Answer is Belagavi. Question number 24. Which district is the smallest district in Karnataka? Answer. Bangalore urban. Question number 25. Which is the capital city of Karnataka? Which is the capital city of Karnataka? Answer is Bangalore. 26. Which are the 4 administrative divisions of Karnataka? Answer is Bangalore, Mysuru, Belagavi and Kalaburgi. Jazakallahu khaira. Have a nice day. Thank you.